Hey there! Want to learn how to create magical butterflies that can fly on their own? Imagine turning simple paper clips, rubber bands, and paper into enchanting creatures. Let's dive into this exciting journey and bring these paper butterflies to life. Look at those materials coming together. This is where creativity meets engineering. With every fold and twist, you're not just making a toy, you're learning the basics of flight and mechanics. Remember, every great engineer started with a simple project just like this. Curious about more projects like this? Our creative parenting guide is your treasure chest, filled with ideas on turning your home into a fun, educational workshop. It's all about making the most out of your family time, learning and laughing together. As our butterflies start to take shape, think about the colors, the designs. This is where you can add your personal touch. What will make your butterfly stand out? Let your imagination soar as high as your butterfly will. If you're having as much fun as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It helps us bring more magical projects like this one to you. Who knew engineering could be this enchanting? And there we have it, a fluttering masterpiece ready to take flight. This isn't just about making toys, it's about the memories we create and the skills we learn. Every fold, every twist brings us closer together, crafting not just butterflies but bonds. Ready for more crafting adventures? Explore our playlist for endless fun and learning. There's a whole world of projects waiting for you and your family. Let's continue this creative journey together. See you in the next project.